It's huge. Oi.
Best surfer in America.
Oh, hey guys! We're here.
Here where?
Oh, where?
We're gonna get prepared with this father. Oh, that's so cute.
That's his dad.
Ava, look.
So bad.
Jackson Butler.
Good one.
We know her.
That's like my favorite.
He's like flying. Ciao. Ciao.
Yeah, champ. Aerial reversal.
Run.
Barney's out with y'all again. Ciao.
That explanation was awkward.
Yeah, it's just the way I do things.
I'm getting chewed out by my dad.
It's just so right as we dance by the moonlight. Can't you see? You're my delight, lady. I just feel like I won't get you out of my mind. I feel love for the first time.
No way.
And I know that it's true. I can tell by the look in your eyes.
Oh, he did it.
Got the glasses off the board.
How'd it fall off?
Good morning vlog. We're going to the lake today to do some fun stuff. Jenna.
This is #1 champion sound. Yeah, now we about to get down. Who the hottest in the world right now?
We gotta
Just
get going.
touched
We
down
can't
in
just sit
London
here.
town. Bet they give me a pound. Tell them put the money in my hand right now. Set up a motor, we need more seats. We just sold out all the floor seats.
Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come pick you with you. You'll be my American boy.
Stop you.
Jenna's going.
Yeah, Jenna. Smile.
Shut up, Stella.
Okay.
You're my lowest supporter.
No, I ain't been to MIA. I heard the Cali never rains to New York's wide awake. First let's see the West End. I'll show you to my best friend. I'm liking this American boy. Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come pick you with you. You'll be my American boy.
Have you gone on it? No.
Oh my god.
Is Connor not gonna come?
Tell him hot sauce is here. Dude, we gotta like go to more little sibling after parties more often.
It's a gift card.
Combo move tomorrow morning.
What'd you get?
Thank you.
What'd you get? What'd you
Oh
get?
my god.
What is it?
What'd you
Oh my god. Thank you so much. It's obviously.
You naughty.
Oh. It's an egg cracker.
You crack eggs with it.
It cracks eggs for you. Oh. I thought you said gyno. You put on your nipples.
Take a
What?
picture.
That's not what gyno does.
Oh no, he's thinking of
Gyno like that. Yeah.
Oh.
There's a lot going on right now.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. Oh no.
He does this every day. Don't worry.
Dude, it's like almost too big.
No, wait a minute. Oh, me? Can't you adjust it? Oh.
Here, get the egg off for you.
3,
Go higher.
2, 1.
Oh. Gotta go more.
I'm squeezing. Swallow it whole. What is? It feels good on your head.
I know it's $30 now.
I know. Mine's 1 cent though.
Why? Your brother working? Oh, your brothers.
Hey, man. Good. You'll love it. You'll love it. I bet everyone was like, hey, come here. We're gonna distinguish the man from the. Hey, you'll love it.
Towel change. Loser. Oh no.
No, I hit you in the face. Oh man.
Did you guys win?
I don't know.